Hold on to your hats, geography buffs. The Amazon River has a shocking secret. Millions of years ago, the Amazon River flowed in the opposite direction, from east to west. But how did this happen? Well, it's all thanks to some serious tectonic action. Back then, South America looked quite different. The Andes Mountains, which we know and love today, were just starting to rise. As these mountains grew taller, they blocked the river's path, forcing it to change direction. Imagine Mother Nature playing a game of Tetris with colossal land pieces. This dramatic shift caused the Amazon to reroute from west to east, emptying into the Atlantic Ocean instead of the Pacific. Pretty wild, right? And this wasn't a quick flip of the switch. It took millions of years for the river to carve out its new path. Here's a fun fact. The Amazon River is so mighty, it discharges more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. That's like emptying a swimming pool the size of a small country every second. So, next time you think of the Amazon, remember its epic journey and the incredible forces that shaped it. Thanks for tuning in, geography buffs. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool facts. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the history of this magnificent river. The Amazon River, as we know it today, is the result of millions of years of geological evolution. The story begins in the Cretaceous period, around 100 million years ago, when South America was still connected to Africa as part of the supercontinent Gondwana. As Gondwana began to break apart, the South American plate started drifting westward, away from Africa. This movement set the stage for the formation of the Andes Mountains. The rise of the Andes was a slow and dramatic process, taking millions of years. As these mountains grew, they created a massive barrier that blocked the westward flow of the Amazon River. This blockage caused the river to gradually change its course, eventually flowing eastward towards the Atlantic Ocean. But the story doesn't end there. The Amazon Basin, which covers an area of about 7 million square kilometers, is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. It is home to thousands of species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The river itself is a lifeline for the region, providing water, transportation, and sustenance for millions of people and countless wildlife species. Its journey from the Andes to the Atlantic is a testament to the power of natural forces and the resilience of life. So, the next time you look at a map of South America, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of the Amazon River. From its ancient origins to its present-day grandeur, it is a true wonder of the natural world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from the world of geography. Until next time, keep exploring. See you in the next adventure.